A beautiful day begins.
Are you ready?
Excavator.
Hey, you! Come here!
Oh, no!
Orange.
Let's go! It's my time!
Excavator gets a pretty new color.
It's my time!
Excavator digs many holes along the river.
It's amazing! Good job!
Dump truck.
Hey, you!
Oh, no!
Dump truck needs a new color too.
Red.
Okay. Let's go!
It's going to the warehouse to
Hey!
deliver seeds.
Amazing! Okay. Let's go!
It puts the seeds in each hole.
Good job! Amazing! It's amazing! Good job! Okay. Amazing! I like it!
Excavator brings soil and fills the holes.
It's so nice! Okay. It's so nice!
Now it's water tanker's turn.
Water truck.
Oh, no!
I like it!
Blue.
Okay.
It gets a pretty blue color. Water tanker waters the seeds.
I like it! Amazing! It's so nice!
Drink up seeds, grow big and tall.
Wow!
The seeds grow into tall trees. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.